Welcome back to the Trucking Journey. I'm Trucker Jim, and how long has it been since I've done an edited vlog? Too long, right? Well, guess what, guys? I'm back, and I am at the Nissan Plant in Smyrna, Tennessee, picking up my empty trailer. I've been here a while. I got here last night, and you know, the truck parking in Smyrna, because of this humongous Nissan plant, isn't exactly ideal. So I stayed here after I delivered, because I can't pick up till 7 a.m. which it's almost that now. I've got about 30 minutes and my clock will be reset and we will get on the road. But for you guys that's been following me a while, this is the same place that I took a loaded trailer of tires out of Nissan. Like today I brought tires inside, but my very first time I was here, I thought I was hooking up to an empty trailer, but now I know empty trailers have one of these on the front, and the guards want to see that as well. So let's hook up to our empty. We're gonna do that now. And part of our pre-trip for this trailer is to ensure that it is indeed empty. So, come on. And this trailer has a little trash in it. My next pickup, which is going to be a live load, probably wouldn't like that. There aren't exactly trash cans out here on the empty yard, so what I'm doing is just sticking it right behind the door. When I get to my next place, should be easy peasy to grab that, dispose of it, get loaded, and then we will be on our way to Charlotte. You know, I wasn't gonna do this, but it's been a while since I've raised landing gear on camera, so let's do it. And another thing that's happened many times over the course of my 4-year vlog is when I find products that are awesome for you or other truckers, I like to share it. Such as these gloves. Now, not only am I matching and things like that with the red trim, but check out the little tips of these. Guess what you can do with your gloves on? Anything you want to with your phone or your digital camera, because, I don't know, these tips work. You can like text with your gloves on. I got these, I think at Love's, what are they, Black Canyon. I don't recall exactly what the tag said on these gloves, but something to the extent, you can use your phone with your gloves on. Cool little tip if you need a pair of gloves, that's a good feature. My old gloves, which were some mechanic gloves, I mean, they didn't have holes in them or anything, but they just got dirty on the inside. And I would put my gloves on to protect my hands and end up with dirty hands. You guys know what I'm talking about. You guys ready to get this trucking journey started? I know I am. I'm excited, people. There's gonna be some cool vlogs coming in the very near future. Now in this one, there's not gonna be any epic drone footage, because if you remember, I crashed it into a tree in the mountains a few months ago, but I have sent it to the doctor. They have analyzed and diagnosed the problems. It was crashed and my camera was broke on it, but it's being fixed. Right now, people, I should have it back for Driver Appreciation Week, so get excited about that, because we're gonna be taking this to the air. But for now, we need to take it to the road, because it's time to get back trucking. I've made it to my pickup, and I had noticed on my work order that it had 1400 for the time today. It's only a little after 8 o'clock right now. I checked in. It's not ready, obviously. Like, you're early. So I'm parked over on the side waiting for them to, at some point in hopefully the near future, to come out and tell me to back up to a dock. So what I did is I sent a freeform message to my dispatch. In situations like this, communication is a big deal. So what I did, I sent a message to dispatch letting them know that the time on this load is 2 o'clock this afternoon. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning right now. Girl says, I'm early. I knew that, but I was told, you know, I could come early. And my expectation is it's not gonna take until 2 o'clock this afternoon before they get started on me. I hope. Anyway, nonetheless, I sent dispatch a message informing them of the situation, and maybe there may be something, you know, right around the corner or down the road that I can go get now and get started on versus waiting. But when you're a YouTube trucker, waiting isn't the worst thing in the world because it gives me an opportunity to edit this video. So why don't we do that? So I will reach in my computer bag, pull out this beautiful MacBook Pro, but my MacBook Pro only has USB-C. No USB, no SD. So I need to use my little handy dandy hyperdrive. To load the footage that's on this camera onto this MacBook, well, I'm gonna have to take the memory card out. So I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, trucking journey, we've got a teachable moment. So I get here to the shipper expecting to get a load and get on the road, but I have a 2 o'clock pickup time, which I noticed that in the work order, but a lot of times that's not that big of a deal. They can go ahead and get to you. Today, that was not gonna be the case. So I sent a message explaining that to my dispatch team, and well, just now, they've taken that load off of me, put a new one on, so we're getting ready to head to Chattanooga, Tennessee. We're gonna take this to Charlotte as well. But if I would have been one of the guys that's just sat here and then called somebody about bitching about me having to wait about 5 hours to get loaded, well, I would have sat here, probably finished this video, and rolled out sometime after lunch and would have really ate into my 14-hour clock and would not have a 500+ mile day. But because I let dispatch know what's going on and let them make the call, they pulled it off. I'm getting ready to deadhead a little over 100 miles to Chattanooga, and then we're Charlotte bound, people. But the lesson that I'm trying to portray is maintain a good attitude and keep your dispatch in the loop, because you're both on the same team, right? We've got the same goals. But my goal is to exceed 500 miles today like it is every day. So in order to do that, we've got to get back trucking. Hey, maybe we'll see some mountains between here and Chattanooga. Alright, I have bumped yet another dock. Sorry there's no video of it, guys. Maybe next time. But speaking of time, it is lunchtime. It's time for a snack. And of course, I wanted of the low carb persuasion. So what I've got is some hard-boiled eggs. I forget what these are called. They're delicious red little peppers. I get these off the Olive Bar in the fancy grocery stores. And I've got some organic cheese. But here's how it works, guys. I just take my egg, I split it in half. Beautiful dark yellow yolks. I will take just a little bit of Himalayan pink sea salt, just a little sprinkle of pepper. The cheese I've already sliced and cut in half. Put it on top of the egg. Top it with the red peppers. This is what it looks like. See? Down the hatch. If you would like to try this as one of your trucking snacks, this is the cheese, a sharp cheddar cheese of organic Pete and Jerry's organic hard-boiled eggs. And once again, I forget what these are called, but they come off the Olive Bar and they are delicious. Pink Himalayan sea salt is the salt that I use, and well, I've had this pepper for a while. Fresh ground pepper is better, but I don't have that. But I do have one more of these down the hatch. Delicious. But guys, I'm gonna try to get a little editing done while I'm backed up to it. Well, I said I was gonna do some editing, but they're already done loading me. That was pretty fast. The guy I checked in with, they seemed excited to see me. I think maybe this might have been the last thing they needed to do before they go home. It's still, well, it is 1 o'clock now. Well, all right. That's gonna be a wrap on this vlog back. Trucker Jim Vlogs Back. That's a pretty cool title, right? If you do like this video, by all means, feel free to give it a thumbs up. I have still been creating content during this absence on this channel. I've just been doing it on the company site. One of the last videos that I put on there is called Truckers That Care. I'm gonna have it pop up at the end of this video. It's a great story. I really don't expect any thumbs downs on it. Anyone that thumbs down the Truckers That Care video that's gonna pop up here in a minute, they're an asshole. But I know there are some assholes that has watched my videos. But most of you, man, I couldn't ask for a better group of people. I appreciate all your support. But the good news is you can expect regular vlogs right here on the Trucker Jim channel. Ain't gonna be no daily vlog or nothing like that. I'm not even trying to put that kind of pressure on myself. You know, it's more about the quality over the quantity. But you can expect at least one video a week. I'll go live every now and then just to touch base with you guys, but it's not gonna be a regular thing. But the Gamecocks are kicking off later today in Charlotte, playing the Tar Heels, so you know I'm gonna be tuned into that. I almost decided to go to the game, but I decided not. So I'm getting ready to hop in the Chevy and go get a 9-round workout in. But guys, I'm back. Thanks a lot for watching. Thanks for your support, and I'll see you in the next one. But until then, be safe out there and keep on trucking.
Everybody going through a little something, something.